What up, my peeps? Welcome to Tech Notes. This is the second part to my live stream. I didn't have enough time, and I'm not gonna come in. We'll see how much time I got to give you guys right now. So I'm just gonna continue on where we left off, and get your pencil, paper, whatever you want to write. Here we go. Tlry SNDL. Ticker symbol EH. Young Holdings is a big mining company. Ideal price is between 110 115. SOS 744. That's all my notes say. I don't know if that's a buy price or not. FUNFF online gaming. AMC, you can spend $99 to watch a movie by yourself in the movie theaters. I was just side talk, but if you want to, with your friends. Mara is the best. Really depends on the price and direction of the Bitcoin. I really personally haven't used Mara. I've used Cam. It's been much more gracious to me. UAVS. That is something, Eagle Aerial Systems. It's on the New York Stock Exchange. GBTC, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, that's going up. ILUS, pump and dump stock. Only way to play these stocks is pump and dump. Get it, buy it, sell it. BYDDYCATL ENZC is a penny stock. SM is an energy stock, 14 bucks. BFT, keep watching it for 2021. That's the PaySafe merger. NNDM, still a good entry point right now. That's the other dimensions. And Nancy Pelosi bought $20 million of Tesla, which tells you what? I'll left you with that thinking. Why should elected officials, this is a question, why should elected officials be allowed to do insider trading? Nancy Pelosi. Biden is going to order that all government vehicles be electric. Well, we know that already. If a penny stock market closes to zero, get away from it. If you see it's close, like really, really close to zero, get the hell out of there. It's nothing to do with it. That's with OTC stocks are super sketchy, and they, you just get them, buy them, sell them. That's it. WFP, fully trimmed smear acquisition corp, $10.15 stock. WPF, and then there's a ballot. Thought on Tlry, lots of talk about marijuana stock being federally legal for also 50 states. That's a huge big deal. That's a merger coming up possibly. Federally legal. SNP UXINUVXY soccer. Lots of talk about Tlry. You never know. ZOM, that's a long-term one. I told you about that. That's the blood test for your pets. You never know, right, Sean? Talk about videos that are relevant. People are bullshit. I'm bullish on something. NSAV. Currently, people are going to get money. People and pets. I guess that's what it deals with. Other stocks are QSNDRA, IPOE, FTFT. February 23rd, Hyliion is its earnings report. We'll see if they have some money we can make off. People try to protect their assets using Bitcoin. Is there a crash coming yet? And I'll figure that one out. I don't know. Comment, yeah, everything will crash, but a lot of times it can move exponentially before it crashes. That's like a little hint before it happens. I didn't know that. Could go to $100. Solid stock, my source says. HCMC, lots of it's over the counter, and I would not get involved in that. My source has already ran its course. Arroyo, AYRO, is $9.91, cheaper, limited. to universities. It's only for golf carts. I wouldn't get into it. FUV and KNDY also, all electric vehicles. But they're good for the long run. So that's it. 5 minutes a minute. Wow. You guys like the videos? Push the like button. If you don't, that's cool. Just tell other people about Tucknotes, please, like you haven't, and keep watching for more information. I hope you enjoyed this. Follow me on YouTube. Oh, I just said that. I also have a Cryptnotes, Tux Cryptnotes on YouTube channel, and check out my Instagram at Tucknotes and Tux blog. Later. Stay tuned for the next video. That'll be tomorrow. Right. Love you. Bye.